What's the funniest way someone has roasted a teacher? My chemistry teacher was absolutely obsessed with reminding us he had a PhD. Literally every class started with Dr. Patterson being written on the board with PhD underlined 3 times. He'd correct anyone who called him Mr., like they'd committed a war crime. Actually, it's Dr. Patterson. Then he'd go on this mini lecture about how many years he spent earning those letters. One day, he was explaining molecular bonds and said, "As someone with a PhD, I can tell you this is simple if you just apply yourself." My friend Tyler, who usually slept through class, suddenly perked up. Tyler raised his hand and Dr. Patterson looked thrilled, probably thinking his PhD powers had finally inspired someone. He pointed at Tyler with this smug smile and said, "Yes, question about covalent bonds?" Tyler, with the straightest face, said, "No sir, I was just wondering, does PhD stand for pretty huge disappointment? Because that's what my dad says his was, and you remind me of him." The class went dead silent. You could hear the clock ticking. Dr. Patterson's face turned so red I thought he was having a chemical reaction. His mouth opened and closed like a fish out of water. Before he could explode, the bell rang. Everyone rushed out, dying laughing in the hallway. Tyler got detention for a week, but he became a legend. The best part? Dr. Patterson never mentioned his PhD again. For the rest of the year, he just wrote Mr. Patterson on the board. Sometimes the smallest roasts have the biggest impact.